Very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I, Kiran, Community Growth Officer at Fairgaze School Media, I'm privileged to introduce Ms. Bindu Gupta ma'am here in front of all of you, who is the head of school of Sahaj International School. And the reason we are reaching out to them, because they just have conducted their annual day where they have kept the theme as showcasing Ganga pollution. So we also wanted to understand from them like what was different, which was there in their annual day, somehow in which they have created awareness among the people. So, ma'am, thank you so much for having me here today. I would like to extend my warm welcome to you. And once again, thank you from the whole Fairgaze team, ma'am.
First, I would like to congratulate Fairgaze team for successfully running some climate action plan campaign. And I'm very thankful for them to considering my team to be a part in this campaign. Thank you, Kiran.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I would like to ask some questions from you so that I could understand how does this whole education system of yours work. So my first question would be, these days everyone is talking about holistic development, holistic growth. This word is very common in the schools these days, even among the parents. So I want to understand how does Sahaj International support this holistic growth among students?
See, we also go with NEP 2020 and which states that there should be 360-degree holistic development. So according to that, in my school, we have several clubs like Environment Club, Music Club, and Interact Club. And in the Interact Club, what we do basically, like students, basically middle segment students, they visit once in 10 days to places where they bring the awareness. For example, during Diwali, my class 7th graders, they went to old age home and there they celebrated and exchanged greetings, Diwali greetings with them. They presented a small cultural program. They listened, they lent their ear to the elder ones and they were so happy. The basic idea behind was to sensitize these students that festival does not mean to celebrate only with their near and dear ones, rather with the ones who miss their family. So with the reason behind, we sent these 7th graders to this. And not only with Diwali, like for Rakhi also. This year, we celebrated Green Rakhi. And the idea behind was to bring a molly from their home and each student, right from primary to middle segment, they tied that sacred thread around the trees. So it was also like to bring awareness that due to pollution and green earth, we believe. So it is not only during Earth Day only, it can be any day also.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of other activities as well. Field trips, taking them outside. So there are many more.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you are sending them to these places to sensitize them, I would say somehow you are helping them in building their character.
Sure. That's the basic purpose.
Somehow you are teaching them values. That is the main purpose of the school.
Which are missing nowadays. And sorry to say now, parents' expectations are like moral values. To teach all these moral values, it's a school responsibility, which earlier it used to be grandparents' responsibility. So we are also coping with that.
I would like to rectify here because we can't say that the students are influenced by the school premises only. They are influenced by different communities. You could say their friends, their family, their relatives. So family has the same role to develop their character the way school has. Because if they are spending half of the day in the school, that half of the day they are spending in the family.
Parents. Yes.
So this is their responsibility also. They can't put it all together on the shoulders of school. So yeah, I have sympathy for you in this scenario.
No, but my team is happy with that also. But yeah, I agree with you. It is not only school's responsibility. So together we can.
Sure, together definitely we can. It's a collective effort at the end of the day.
Exactly.
Fine. So, ma'am, now my second question is, as I was introducing you in the beginning of this interview, I said about this theme of your annual day showcasing Ganga pollution. So, I want to understand what was the reason behind to come up with such an idea and how has it affected the parents, whosoever was sitting in the ground while you were having this annual day function.
Yeah, I wanted you to ask this question. I was waiting for it rather.
Thank you.
See, the reason behind choosing this theme was like casually if you see, it's about Navras and all the typical themes, earth and all. There's a lot of loud and cry about pollution. Yes, government institutions are working at their end, but we as an institution, we should also work on that. So that's the reason I thought, why not let put the awareness or the cause or the pollution, such a heavy, you can say, the task. So it should go through my students, not only among my parents and teachers and students, but far and wide. And for that, we were on Facebook Live. And you'll be happy to know that in 1 hour only, there were 2.3K views. So this is the reason, one of the reason, and pollution, and we never depicted just like with the posters and all. It was a music drama. People dramatized, and there was a Ganga, a girl, and it was bilingual, Hindi as well as in English. So she was narrating in English, some of the parts in English and some of the parts in Hindi, so that every segment and society should know. And as far as you said about the parents, that like the parents, they were weeping कि ma'am, we are very happy that the way your school presented it. I mean, जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना, आपने मैम रूट्स के साथ कल्चर को, बच्चों को जोड़ा. हम भी इतने अच्छे तरीके से अपने बच्चों को नहीं समझा पाए. The way it was presented and enacted, and the students were very confident about it. There was mime, there was Kathak, Bharatnatyam, and I mean, it was a mixture of everything. And mythology also, the origin of Ganga. We taught origin of Ganga, why Ganga was here, why it was like, what was the urge for it, and Ganga is Papnashni, and what lessons we learn from it. Ganga tells us that I forgive you and I forget. That is why I am Papnashni. So this is the reason for all of us also. Being elders, being teachers, being head of the school, we should also forgive and forget our students. So these were certain things. And in the initial stage, I mean, at the welcome stage, when the chief guests were there and the principals of other institutions, so they floated a lotus, and each lotus had a positive affirmation like gratitude, hard work, and honesty. These things where they just offered this lotus to the guests. And if you like whatever you feel, you get like you associate yourself with these positive affirmations, which Ganga also teaches us. So please float. And they floated and they were very happy. It's a very new idea.
And it's very creative.
Yes.
Somehow you
So-
engage the audience out
Yes, that
doing
way.
this.
Yes. So with all this purpose and yes, hard work of my team and everything, so I'm very happy and satisfied that my parents and everyone they were proud of it. And I'm very happy too that you people approached, and now it will be through right
Everywhere.
channel.
Yeah.
Through right channel, it will go far and
Everywhere,
wide.
everyone will know about it. Because I believe when we show visuals to the people,
Yes,
then
they-
they try to build those pictures in their mind somehow. They try to
And-
understand in better way.
We'll be putting it on the YouTube also, and the way it was presented, I mean, basic, what I'm trying to say is, people were zapped. कि, okay, Ganga can be portrayed in this way also. Like class 3 grade, they did it through mime, Pani Anthem, which was launched few years back. So they projected that Pani Anthem through mime. And like Pap Nashni, it was done by class 7. The way it was done, people were happy कि मैम ऐसे भी अच्छा हो सकता है कि हमने तो सुनते रहते थे, बोलते रहते थे, but the way you projected, तो मतलब अब बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया कि like the origin, the very purpose, why we worship it, why it is called sacred.
There are very very much definitions are there as far as this Ganga river is concerned.
Yes.
So somehow you took each and every class, each and every student, somehow
And-
you showed the sign of inclusivity also
Yes.
to explain them the different definitions of Ganga river.
And the pain, it was portrayed and when it showcased, like how much in pain Ganga is, the character.
Now.
She was like expressing such a lively manner. You see, you have polluted me to so much extent, I'm choking. So marine life, aquatic life, everything was considered. So people were able to, they were saying, ma'am, even we were able to connect ourselves. Nobody like stood up.
You
that
were
way.
trying to develop those emotions
Yes.
in them so that they can actually feel how
Feel,
does it
yes.
feel when you get
That
polluted.
pain, that agony. So
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
once again. And this is it from our end. Thank you.
thank you.